Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Wallet for Tap and Pay in 2025 step by step. So step 1, open the Google Wallet app on your Android phone, and if you don't have it yet, you can download it from Play Store. Step 2, tap Add to Wallet and select Payment Card. You can either scan your card or enter the details manually. Step 3, follow the verification steps, and this may include an SMS from your bank or an in-app confirmation. Step 4, once verified, your card will be added and ready for use. Make sure that NFC is turned on in your phone settings. Step 5, when you're ready to pay in store, unlock your phone and hold it near the terminal, and you will see a confirmation once the payment is processed. Step 6, you can manage cards, view transactions, or remove cards directly from the wallet app. And now, you're all set to tap and pay with Google Wallet in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.